देखिए, जो ऐसे कॉन्टेस्ट होती है उसमें इम्पोर्टेंट होता है कि एक पैकेज देखा जाता है, आपकी लुक्स, आपकी वॉक, पर्सनालिटी, रैम्प प्रेजेंस, और प्लस ये एडिटोरियल के लिए है तो मैगजीन में कैसे शूट होगा, किस हिसाब से प्रोफाइल अच्छे है, बोन स्ट्रक्चर अच्छे है, वो देख के हम लोग सिलेक्शन करते। काफ़ी असॉर्टेड वैरायटी थी इन टर्म्स ऑफ गर्ल्स, सम वर डस्की, सम वर फेयर, सम शार्प फीचर्ड, सम sort of girl next door look. Same with the boys, like some were very sort of rugged, tough look, somebody had more a boyish presence. So depending on what sort of made a composite package, which was really good, is how we judged. I think for India, I think for casual wear, cotton is of course a great fabric because it's sort of breathable. It lets you, it goes from day to evening very easily. And for evening, I think given Indian weather especially in Mumbai where it's so hot, I think chiffon and georgette are what really work nicely for a dressy occasion.
Max is a leader in value fashion. We are available across 16 countries, over 250 outlets. Max Fashion is proud to associate with Cosmopolitan, which is a leading fashion magazine across again over 20 countries. To bring this Max fashion icon to Mumbai, this is the Mumbai round. We have selected 2 female winners and 2 male winners.
I've come as a judge over here to judge the Max Fashion Icon of the year, and I think it was a great event because there were a lot of good deserving contestants today, and I was really happy judging the event as well. I think the main point when you're judging them is that they should have a good personality. They should be confident to carry out any kind of looks given to them.
So, well, this is our third city round. We have been to sort of Bangalore, Delhi, Bombay today, and it's been lots of fun. We have met so many great, talented boys and girls. We have been sort of judging them throughout. It is a tough choice because there are so many cool, fun boys and girls who have come here, and now, of course, it is to actually pick up all of these 3 city winners and to take them to the big finale in Delhi in March, and to see who will finally win the Max Fashion Icon. My top 3 tips to be stylish are: number 1, dress for your own body type. If you are tall, petite, wide-hipped, small, whatever it is, pick clothes that look best on you. Go to stores, try on 20 different kinds of pants and find that one pair of pants that actually works for your own body frame.